Welcome to the ultimate marketing solution, Profit Cloud. The advertising world is rapidly changing, and you will not believe how fast technology is advancing in the advertising world. In fact, it's advancing so fast, for you to keep up, your marketing team needs to retrain constantly just to keep up. Technology is changing the game daily. Companies that master this will own the marketplace. Think you're keeping up? Do you have the team to remain ahead of the rest? If you cannot handle this, you are going to get crushed by your competition. There's a new model. Banner advertising is set to eclipse paid search and pay-per-click advertising spend in 2016. With display advertising growing at 21% a year, it's expected to hit $74.4 billion in 2016. Mobile is set to outperform radio, outdoor, and magazine advertising. Targeting is getting smarter. We can now target individuals with behavioral and demographic data. We can show the right message within milliseconds. You need to adapt your business because the early adopters are getting a huge competitive advantage. Welcome to the world of programmatic buying. The challenge with advertising today is capturing the consumer. The path to purchasing has become digital, either online or with a mobile device. Programmatic ad buying offers a way to utilize the technology of today to maximize an ad's potency by gearing their ads to today's digital user. Some retailers are still putting advertising dollars into weekend newspaper circulars that are quickly thrown away, while the path to purchasing has moved online. Now think about that. Even yourself, that whenever you're about to make a buying decision, what's the first thing you do? You research the product and the company online. One of the most effective forms of programmatic ad buying is called real-time bidding. So what is real-time bidding? Well, it's basically a method of selling and buying online display advertising in real time, one ad impression at a time. It's hyper-targeted, so it uses behavioral and demographic data to target ads to specific audiences, producing results like never before. It works across multiple advertising networks, so Google, Facebook, MSN, Yahoo, and many more. A lot of companies today are just focusing on running their advertising through Google alone, and that's a huge mistake because Google can change their algorithms, up the price, change the data that they allow you to access, and if you're locked into that one provider, you just can't compete. Our system has 47 different advertising networks in it. So we've got a huge competitive advantage. Now, real-time bidding is programmatic. It mimics stock exchanges and utilizes algorithms to automatically buy and sell ads in real time. It's also cheaper. Instead of paying a few dollars per click, ads are shown thousands of times for pennies on the dollar. So how does it work? Well, it's quite simple really. Basically, a client visits a website which has some banner space available and the banner inventory has not been sold yet. The website server receives the request to serve the web page to the user, and in the 50 milliseconds it takes for that web page to load in front of the user, that request is sent to the demand side platform and ad networks who determine which advertiser gets to show the ad. Each user who's viewing the ad is associated with a set of attributes, data attributes, that we can then profile that user. And then the ad exchange lets advertisers know if there's a match for some of those data attributes on who they want to show their ads to. Then the advertisers based on the perceived value of the user, bid to place an ad impression, and the highest bid wins, and that ad is served to the user, all within that 50 milliseconds. One of the other techniques is called retargeting, and we like to call this traffic insurance because it allows you to own and control traffic by placing retargeting cookies throughout all your marketing campaigns. How retargeting works is a potential customer visits your website. We leave a tracking cookie on that customer's computer or mobile device. Then, using that tracking cookie, our ad system can continually re-serve ads to that user no matter where they navigate across the internet. So they feel like, hey, these guys are huge. Their ads are everywhere. When really, that ad is only seen by them. But retargeting generates greater online sales by keeping your brand front and center, bringing window shoppers back when they're ready to buy. Every time your customer sees your retargeting ad, your brand gains traction and more recognition. The high click-through rates and increased conversions that are typical with retargeting campaigns show the value of good branding and repeated exposure. So, what's the big idea? Well, strategy is the key to mastering the use of programmatic buying in your business to leverage all your marketing efforts. By integrating programmatic buying with multiple advertising channels and multiple tactics, this is how your company can rapidly advance within your marketplace. One of the big advantages our company provides is not only do we run these advertising campaigns, but we'll also set up a customized sales funnel to drive that traffic too. We cover everything. It's all done for you. We do the banner ad design. We program the site and set up all the targeting groups. We write all the copy and the content to make sure that that audience is getting the right messaging. And we also create all the copy to explain why the customer should buy from you rather than a competitor. We set up all the tracking and testing, and we have transparency reports that allow our campaign managers to refine your campaign and get the best possible conversion rates. And our conversion experts are continually working to increase your results. So, the first step is what we call our discovery process. It's about finding out the challenges unique to your business. Our team will sit down with your team and ask the right questions. We'll evaluate and compare your business to your top competitors. We'll refine all the messaging and discover what your value proposition is. And finally, we'll create a custom strategy and business plan for your success based on the unique challenges for your business. Then, the next step, if you decide to come on board and join with us, our team of experts will work together on coming up with a strategy and plan. We'll meet with you and do a briefing. We'll then do a client intake process and make sure we've got all the content and all the information we need to build the right strategy. We'll create all the content, sales funnels, conversion funnels, banner ads, all the messaging, all the copywriting. We'll execute that plan by creating your sales funnel, all the targeting groups, start driving traffic. We'll test and split test the performance of all the ads, targeting groups, and sales funnel and refine that. We've got transparency reports that allow us to show you exactly what's happening and how we're increasing conversions. And once your sales funnel is increasing your profits and profitably converting your customers, you then have the opportunity to scale as much as you need. So our solution development is a complete management system. Our solution is developed specifically for your business. We've got a complete management system that allows us to manage the entire solution across multiple channels, such as mobile, desktop, tablet, online and offline. It's a custom designed solution specifically created to reach the goals of your business. We mitigate and eliminate risk by working tirelessly to make it profitable so that you can scale this as needed. And we continually optimize and monitor the performance and enhance your campaigns to get higher profit margins. So, what's the next step? Well, it's to call us. Don't wait for your competitors to call us first, because being first to master programmatic buying for your business can give your company a huge competitive advantage. And our goal is to be your partner by increasing your profits and your business's success. So call one of our sales team today on 1300 491 290. Thanks for your time and have an awesome day.